So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our GBP USD. But before we go ahead to analyze what markets will most likely do for us for the week, right? To those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, so guys, once again, follow the Telegram channel, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification. Now, let's see what market is going to be doing for us for the on our GBP USD. Now, let's start with our trend on GBP USD. Take a look at this overall movement. You need to take a look at what the overall movement is. And as you can see in the overall movement, we are in an uptrend. So market is what's clearly in. Market is clearly to the up, right? So market push up, right? Then it bounced back, come to retest it. Guess what market did? It gave us a rejection, a push up again, right? And it took out this previous high, right? Now market eventually bounced back, drop, and it has got come to tap our support level, right? So market has literally come to tap our support level, right? Now with this level, with this movement, which has also tapped our trend line, as you can see. One, two. Now this is the third one. This is the third touch. So we should be expecting market to what? Bounce up. Now market has not given us a confirmation. Guess what the confirmation market did for us? Give us a double. Now you all know what a double bottom is. Massa movement. So now the market has given us a double bottom. Guess what it did? After giving us a double bottom, it eventually pushed up and broke. So markets literally drop, right? Give us a push up. Then it came back again to retest this level, and now it pushed up to break our neckline. So now the market has broken this neckline, there's a pullback the market has given us to come to retest the neckline. After the pullback, then we should be expecting market to actually push it, able to form a new high, thereby taking up the size. So guys, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on GBP. So we are anticipating for a bullish move. Right, so whatever you want to be doing on GBP, you're anticipating for the buy. Now, let's take a look at this moment right here, guys. So market has also given us a double bottom, right, which made market to push up heavily, and now this is a pullback. So with this movement, the expect market to reject and short it on the side. So if markets can open on Monday and you look for your buy setup, you take it and it comes to tap this your equal high, that will be about 120 pips. So if you now go ahead to still hold the position for it to take out this high, you should be grabbing between 150. So between Monday and Tuesday, you should be grabbing nothing less than 120, 150 bullish move GBP. So what I'm trying to say is that GBPUSD is on a bullish move. And whatever you want to be doing on GBPUSD, you want to be looking for buy setup. Buy is what we'll be expecting. Now the question is, would there be changes? Is there possibility of changes to this prediction? Absolutely. It's that there's going to be changes to this prediction. But if in case there's going to be any changes, I'll make sure I do the update and try to let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any of the simple very guys, click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to be updated. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So above all, bullish move is what to be on our GBP USD.